Hi, welcome to class. We're going to be looking at Surya Namaskar or sun salutations in this class. This is perfect to begin your yoga practice. So if you're completely new to the practice, don't worry about it because we're going to be breaking it down step by step, and we're also going to intensify it when you're ready. So I'll be taking you through different variations of Surya Namaskar that you can incorporate into your everyday practice. This is the fundamentals of every asana based practice because it has within it elements of forward bending, back bending, lateral bending, twisting, and even some form of arm balancing in the sequence. So it's a perfect class to do on your own without pairing it with anything else, or you can use it as a warm up. So when you're ready, we're going to get started at the top of your mat, the big toes touching, the hands loosely by your side. Close your eyes. This is a posture in our yoga practice called Samastitihi. In English, it means equal standing pose. Start to feel total balance in the body as we stand in this way. Pull up on your kneecaps, activate the quads, the thigh muscles. Keep your lower stomach gently drawn inside, so we're targeting the core as well. The shoulders are down, away from the ears. Upper body is at ease, no stress, let it go. Notice your spine, how long your spine can be when we are very aware of our posture. Calm face. Let's join our hands in pranam at the center of the chest and take a few deep breaths together. Exhale completely. Take a deep inhale in through the nose. A slow exhale out through the nose. Simultaneously draw the lower belly in as you exhale, again targeting the core. Inhale, feel the chest expanding. Exhale, nice and easy, release the breath out. One more time. Inhale, a nice slow easy exhale out. Inhale for Om. Exhale, return the hands back to the side, opening your eyes. We're ready to start. From Samastitihi, inhale, raise your arms up shoulder level. Externally rotate your shoulders so the palms are facing up. Exhale here. Inhale again, raise both your arms up to join the palms together. Gaze up towards your thumb, lengthening your full spine. Take another inhale as you're here. On your exhalation, take your arms from the side as you move from the hips to fold over your legs. And what can assist with the movement is keeping the hands on the hip to really facilitate and see where you're moving from, which is the hip. Okay? Slight bend in the knee, so we're relaxing the legs. Hands go down. Exhale again, take your head towards your legs as much as comfortable for you. And then on your inhalation, hold on to your ankles or the knees as you lengthen the spine, look forward. Feel your full spine lengthening in this position. And then one more time, bend the knees, fingertips on the floor. Inhale, step your right leg back, hip down as you lift your chest up. Hold the breath, step your left leg back to a strong plank. Your shoulders are over the wrist right now. Inhale here. Exhale, lower the knees down behind the hip and very slowly, so we're working on our upper body strength, we're lowering our chest to the floor. Okay? Press the tops of the feet down. Inhale, take a nice easy cobra pose, Bhujangasana. So don't tense your shoulders. Totally relax, down away from the ears, open the chest, tuck your toes under, exhale back to downward facing dog. Lift your knees up and take it easy for the first one. You can pedal your knees, keep alternating, right leg, left leg, Keep taking your chest in the direction of your thighs, spreading your fingers wide, and focus on your breathing. Deep inhale in, full exhale out. Then look forward to the top of your mat. Step your right leg forward, as far forward as you can. Join it with your left leg. Exhale, fold over the legs, go down. Remember, you can bend the knees here. Then, as you're coming up, lengthen the arms, long spine to make your way up to standing. Join the palms together, gaze up. Exhale, back to stillness. Samastitihi. Let's do it again. Inhale the arms up, palms together, look up. Exhale, fold from the hip. Pull your stomach in as we fold over the legs. Hands down, head down. Inhale, head up as you lengthen the spine. Exhale, left leg back, right leg back. And here we are in plank. Take an inhale here. Exhale, knees down. Very slowly feel the strength as you lower your chest to the floor. Bhujangasana. Inhale, come up, arching the spine. Exhale, tuck the toes under. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. Gaze at one point on your knees, and if it's difficult for you to keep your heels down, then please bend the knees, lift your heels up, focus more on lengthening the spine in this position, and let's stay for one more breath. Inhaling, exhaling, look forward, left leg steps forward, inhale, right leg steps forward, exhale over your legs. Inhale, raise both your hands up, gaze to your thumb, exhale, back to Samastitihi. Again, one more time. Inhale the arms up, look up. Exhale, fold forward, go down. Inhale, head up as you lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend your knees softly. Take the hands a little bit in front of your feet and do a little pulsing action with the hip. Maybe you can try to hop back to a plank position. Inhale in your plank. Exhale, maybe without the knees this time. Very slowly lower your upper body down. Hands beside your chest. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Everything up and off the ground, including your knees and thighs this time. Okay, tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's hold it here for 3 deep breaths. 1. Listen to the quality of your breathing. For 2. Take one more inhale. As you exhale, bend the knees, look forward to the top of your mat. Inhale, you can try to hop or just walk your legs to your hands. Head up position. Exhale, head down. Inhale, hands up, palms together, gaze to your thumb. Exhale, back to Samastitihi, hands by the side. Okay? Surya Namaskara B, we're going to take it up a notch a little bit. So feet together again. Inhale, Utkatasana, half squat, hands up. Keep the weight to your heels. Exhale, stand up fully. Fold forward over the legs. And remember, if it's difficult to keep your knees straight, please bend and take a nice deep fold over the legs. Inhale, head up as you lengthen. Exhale, you can hop back or just step back to plank. Hold the plank as you inhale. Exhale, Chaturanga. Maybe this time we can hover the body off the ground and hold it there. And then transition to Urdhva Mukha, upward facing dog. Open. Exhale back, downward facing dog. From here, step the right leg forward in between the hands. Turn your left foot at a 45-degree angle. With your right knee bent, try to stand, hip down. Okay? Inhale, hands up. If possible, palms together, look up. Or keep it separated and look forward. This is great too. Exhale, the hands down. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, Chaturanga with control. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open the chest. Exhale, downward facing dog. Empty the lungs. Left leg forward. Turn the right foot at a 45-degree angle. Take your time, no hurry. With your left knee bent, try to come and stand. Inhale the arms up. Look up. Exhale the arms down. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, slowly go down. Inhale, upward facing. Long deep breath in. Exhale, downward facing. And now we're going to stay for 5 breaths. Find stillness. For 1, make sure you're spreading your fingers nice and wide. For 2, keep your feet separated about hip distance. Eyes at one point. For 3, inhaling, exhaling. 4. One more breath here. On your exhalation, bend the knees, look forward, jump or just step your feet to your hands and come to head up position. Inhale, exhale, head down. Utkatasana, inhale, half squat, hands up. If possible, join the palms together, look up. Exhale, Samasthitihi, hands by the side. Close your eyes, be totally still. Notice what you feel. If you feel your heartbeat has increased and your breath has become a little faster, that's totally normal, because as we do these movements, we're definitely increasing our circulation. So we are going to feel that way. Give yourself a few seconds. Let everything settle. Come back to your deep breath. Check in with the quality of your breath. Very consciously lengthen the breath. Inhale. Slow exhale out. Let it go. One more time. Inhale. Hold for a moment. Exhale. Okay? We're going to do it again. So here we go. Inhale. Utkatasana. Half squat, hands up. Exhale. Uttanasana. Fold over your legs. Head down. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana, head up only. Exhale, jump or walk back. And let's come to plank. Inhale, plank. Exhale, Chaturanga. Slowly lower your body down. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Open the chest, no hurry. Exhale, Adho Mukha. Inhale, right leg forward. Turn your left foot out. Virabhadrasana. Inhale, hands up. Look up. This time we're going to hold the posture. 5 breaths. Steady. Breathe. 1. Eyes focused at one point. 2. Inhaling. Exhaling. Anchor through your left heel. 3. Keep taking your hip down. 4. 5. Good. Hands down. Inhale. Back to plank. Exhale, with or without the knees, lower your body down. Inhale, upward facing dog, long deep breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg forward, turn your right foot out. Virabhadrasana 1, find the balance. Inhale, hands up, palms together, gaze to your thumb. You're going to stay here for 5 counts. Steady, breathe. 1. Finding stillness in the asana. 2. Inhaling, exhaling. 3. Hip down. 4. 5. Exhale your arms down. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale with or without knees, lower to the floor. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha, upward facing. Exhale, Adho Mukha, downward facing. And we're going to stay another 5 breaths. Powerful, deep breathing. For 1, eyes at a single point somewhere on your legs. For 2, Every exhalation, draw the low belly in, activating the core. For 3, 4, 5. Exhale, bend the knees, look forward. Inhale, hop to the top of your mat. Head up position. Exhale, head down position. Inhale, Utkatasana. We're going to hold this position here, okay? 5 counts, be there. 1, weight to the heels, hip down, work the glutes. 2, 3, sit a little bit lower. 4, 5, exhale, Samasthitihi. Be totally still. Notice the quality of the breath. One more time. Let everything settle. You don't want to move when the breath is too fast. Okay, we want it to be a comfortable practice, moving at an appropriate pace. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. We're going to do one last variation of Surya Namaskar. For this one, separate your feet hip distance. Okay. As you inhale, raise your arms from the front, push your hips slightly forward and add in a back arch in the position. Shoulders back, chest forward. Exhale, long spine takes you to the floor. Hands down, head down. Inhale, step your right leg back. Lower your knee down this time. Lift your chest, look up a little bit. And then, if it's comfortable for you here, try to come up and balance on your left thigh. So we're working the low lunge position, extending through the right hip flexor. And if it's still comfortable for you, inhale, raise both your arms up, palms together, look up for a moment. Exhale, neatly return the hands down. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, this time, lower the knees. The hip is up, arch your spine. Lower the chest and chin. So we have 8 points on the floor. Bhujangasana. Inhale. Cobra pose. Exhale, downward facing dog. Empty the lung. Right leg forward. Left knee down. Okay, you can stay right here. Option 2, take the hands to your thigh. Option 3, inhale the arms up. Palms together, look up. Exhale the arms down, left leg forward, separate the feet hip distance, fold over the legs. Inhale, long spine to come up. Take the shoulders back, chest forward, strong legs. We're going to continue from here. Exhale, fold over the legs again, head down. This time left leg goes back. And if you came to the position earlier, we're going to directly come in now. As you raise the hands up, look up at your hands, inhale. Exhale, this time add in a back arch. Open the chest, shoulders back a little. Exhale, take the hands down. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, knees down, chest and chin down slowly. Bhujangasana, slide forward and up, shoulders relax. Adho Mukha Svanasana, exhale. Empty the lungs, let it go. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee down. Nice and slow with a lot of control. Inhale the arms up, look up. Exhale, add in a back arch, open. Exhale the arms down. Inhale, exhale the right leg forward, fold over the legs. Inhale your arms up. Arching back. Exhale, Samasthitihi. Feet together, arms by your side. Be totally still. Notice your mental space after the practice. Mind is calm. At the same time, there is a lot of focus. Always a combination of the two. Okay? Now we're going to make our way to the floor and take a little rest. Hands in pranam, center of the chest. Inhale the arms up. Exhale, nice and easy. Fold over the legs, go down. Inhale, head up, lengthen. Exhale, hop back or just walk it back to plank. And then go to downward facing dog. Keep up. Come down onto your knees. Sit back. Extend the legs out from underneath you. Come a little bit forward on your mat. With your knees bent, hands forward, inhale. Exhale with a lot of control in the core. Start to lie down. Lower back down, hold. Middle back down, hold for a second. Upper back down, and then finally the head touches down. Separate the legs about hip width. And here we are, Shavasana. Total, complete rest from your toes all the way to the crown of the head. Let it go. Let it go. Stay here for about 10 minutes, resting the body. If you don't have time in your day to do a full 1 hour practice, then a class like this is all you need. You just need to take 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Take what you do have and make the most out of it. So Surya Namaskar is ideal for that particular type of practice because it works on each and every part of the body. It makes you leave the mat feeling refreshed, full of life and energy. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you for joining.